Hello everyone, this is T1 and Broster Kale just tweeted about the Internet Archive Wayback machine. He said that it's back, but it's read-only and it may be suspended in the next days. So for example, if you go to the website archive.org, it's going to give you this link which takes you to the Wayback machine, but it's only read or read-only. And as you can see, yeah, you can just use it. You can you can browse it normally as you always do, but it's read only. That means it's not updating the web pages. So that's the technical side of it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But he say it may be suspended again in the next days or weeks, maybe. So keep that in mind. Anyways, that's pretty much everything for today's video. I'll see you next time.